If you're seated in an emergency exit row seat, just please review those XC requirements and operating instructions for this Boeing 737-700. Safety information card.
What up, YouTube? Y'all know what it is. You know who it is. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. We up here right now at this car show. Got all types of joints going on. Right now, here's the nasty car right here. You know, there go mine. There go all of the STL Camaro group on Facebook. Y'all check that out. You know, check it out. We're gonna take y'all around all the cars. This shit here. Car shows like this be live. I really don't know where to start it. I'll probably start up there and then go ahead.
Back and go right.
Yeah. So far, so good. Nice little car show. We up here right now at the car show. They call this the lot, you dig? You up here right now with who? The Ginger 31 Marrow Gang. Y'all know it's definitely a Marrow show, Marrow channel. I definitely gotta stop right here, show homage to one of the first gens, dude. How y'all like that? Should that be the thumbnail? Who knows? Think that should be the thumbnail? No, you don't know? This one here. Gotta show homage to where we come from, you dig? And he got the Mickeys on it, you know. He ready for it. Right here we got us an Impala, you know, the bashed out, the bashed it. You don't know what it is unless you know your joints. But yeah, can't tell you what year it is. I wouldn't be able to tell you either. I guess it's a 60 something. If I had to guess anywhere between 60 and 65. Don't give me the line though, YouTube. Don't give me the line. Listen to him chop. Listen to him chop. Listen to him chop. Chop, chop. Super Sport, you know what it is. I'm gonna go throw this away. Is any special Mustang? Probably just a 5.0. Got the Roush intake. Most likely got Roush. Most likely got the Roush exhaust system too. Can't really tell with all this plastic going on today. Did they get some headers done too? Most likely they did. He messed with the Roush. Got the Roush intake. Oh, that's not, what do you got? Roush intake and the Roush manifold. Not really a Sting, man, but hey, cars is cars, you dig? There's Another one. You know what that is, y'all. Y'all know. How you like it? Gotta pay homage now. Mustangs came out to play. Hey, I'm gonna take y'all by the Camaros in a minute, you know. Cause they came to play. He got all this going on. It's nice. It don't look like he come to play, I tell you that. It might be old, but I guarantee you he'll smoke some new shit. And he on the tire, he ain't playing. Them brakes look like those are baby brakes. This is back when I did fool with the Mustangs back in the day. Dang, that's straight up a two-seat. He took the seats out this joint. I remember back in the day, you couldn't catch me doing this YouTube. Fresh pair of shoes all in the grass. We go up Bel Air. These them cars that love to lift up and go in the air on you. Chop chop. What his shirt say? No smoke. Chevy, man. Chevy. Ghostbusters car right here. I know it's a metal show. Look at the tires on that. Pretty good about yourself. What's going on? That's to pay that homage, y'all. Y'all know this gotta make the channel. Z06, y'all. Beautiful. Road runner. What you know? What you know? I want that cooler action, huh? Here you go. Hit you with the juice. Couldn't tell y'all what this is, y'all. You know, I ain't trying to hate on nobody's car. Hey, this that single engine shit the church is talking about. Whatever, any kind of straight city block, whatever. This shit probably every bit of 100 horses or so. Man, don't it? Marrow gang, you know. Top chef, you know. What you think? What you think, Marrow gang? Did the Marrow show out or what today?
Definitely
Showing out. Monte Carlo. Or another Yinko. Gotta get us a Chevelle on the channel, you dig? You know, you should have come over here. Right here. This would have been him back in the day. If he was back in the day.
right.
He got headers done. Look at that shit.
Right there, yeah.
Tell them all. Look how easy this shit is, dude. I think I'm gonna get me an old car too now. Now this shit too down. Look at this shit, bro. You can, man. This is so simple. And he got the juice. Oh yeah, this a runner. Check these all out. Yeah, YouTube, this actually a dope ass little, you know, some nice little turnouts, you know. Oh, now you got the old schools coming up with the cutlasses. Check them out, you know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now we got the old schools coming in, you know. Y'all know what it is with these, man. This here is Top Chef. You know, with the Vet C8. Ain't too sure on the year. It's all good. I definitely like this. That's pretty tight. Same got your C6s. People steady pulling up. This dude here, all still knocked out. Oh yeah, Marrow gang, you know. Cammed out. Look at the pipe. Look at that. Look at that. Cammed out. Chop chop. Seems like I caught all the bugs, don't it? Man, he gave me a bounce when he came in too. still gotta go over that way. Then I'm gonna probably stop taping and just be chilling. From the channel last time, showing some love, you dig? Marrow Bros. Yeah, look at him, look at him.
Oh, wow.
What's going on?
I don't even know how you did it.
What's going on? We got the tire on that joint. Matter of fact, bro, I could have sworn I just seen these on the on Instagram. Sticks, yeah. Them nice. Them choppy chop. You know, top up. Trunks is pretty fat back then. Thank y'all for tuning in. We got all type of filters out here today. Got us a nice blazer right there. It's my old dude actually. Anyway, definitely gotta thank y'all for tuning in. I know y'all loved all the Marrows from the old school, first gen, second gen, third gen, fourth gen, fifth gen, all the way to the sixth gen. It's Marrow Gang. Thank y'all for tuning in. We out.